Hello, hello, it's Benny! Guess what? The sun is up. It's morning! Every morning we do special things to get ready for the day. They help us feel clean, healthy, and ready to shine. Let's go through Benny's morning routine together. Here we go round the mulberry bush. Let's go! Ring, ring, ring! The alarm clock goes off. Time to wake up! Stretch your arms wide and say, "Good morning, world!" Benny opens his eyes, has a big stretch and yawns. Can you stretch and yawn? Stretch and ah!
Good morning, Benny. First stop, wash your face. Cool water wakes us up and keeps our skin fresh and clean.
Splash, splash, splash. Rub your face with water. Can you pretend to wash your face? Splash, splash, splash. Next, brush your teeth. Healthy teeth need brushing every morning. 2 minutes of brushing keeps the dentist happy.
Up and down and round and round. Can you brush your teeth? Open wide, brush, brush, brush.
Now get dressed. Clothes keep us warm and comfy. Benny picks out his favorite outfit. What will you wear today? One arm in, other arm in, pull it over your head. Can you pretend to put on your shirt? In and over, ta-da!
Time to eat breakfast. Breakfast gives us energy for the whole day. It's the most important meal of the day.
Yummy, yummy! Benny loves porridge with berries. What's your favorite breakfast? Tell someone near you. The final step. Pack your bag and you're ready to go. Books, lunch, and a big smile. Perfect!
Benny is washed, dressed, fed, and ready. Can you pack an imaginary bag? Zip it up, off we go.
Now let's sing our morning song while we get ready. Sing along. Here we go round the mulberry bush. The mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush on a cold and frosty morning. This is the way we wash our face, we brush our teeth, we get dressed too. This is the way we eat our breakfast on a bright and sunny morning. Wonderful morning routine. You are all set for a brilliant day. We learned Benny's 6 morning steps today. Let's say them all. Wake up, wash face, brush teeth, get dressed, eat breakfast, ready to go. A good morning routine sets you up for an amazing day. Which step is your favorite part of the morning? Have a wonderful day. You are ready to shine. Bye-bye from Benny. See you tomorrow morning.